দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করছি।
Don't do this.
Don't do this.
গায়ে হাত দিয়েন না।
So what? তোমাকে আমি মারছি।
I know English properly. Don't worry about
So
that.
what? You know, I think you better. But
Yes, I am, but you can't touch me.
So
what?
So what?
Doesn't matter for me. I'm running student.
You student of degree college.
Yes.
So it doesn't affect to me.
So what?
So what?
You just doing your job properly. That's enough. That's enough. You just do your job properly. That's enough for us.
I am not.
That's enough
you
for
are not
us.
authority.
And you cannot touch me because
So
this
what?
is
That
not
is
your
not
right.
us.
This is not your
This is
right.
not us.
But my side, I like. I can't explain it.
What?
You don't touch me.
No, this is not touch.
You don't touch.
Expression.
No. This is the last one, sir. Please don't touch me.
You are warning that. What?
No.
কি করবা?
আপনি আমায় touch করলে
তুমি কি করবা? Who are you?
স্যার,
কি
আমি
করবা?
এখনই
আপনি নিয়ে যাবা না?
আমি ওইটা বলতেছি না। আপনি আমার ওইরকম ভাবে touch করার কোনো right রাখেন না।
টাচ করি না।
আপনি ওইটা বুঝে
সবাই। তুমি একদম দেখে দাম লাগাচ্ছেন এটি।